I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of our Twinkl Tunes original song, A Christmas Wish. This song was written to celebrate Christmas for Key Stage 2 children. To find our original songs, simply search for Twinkl Tunes Original Songs before selecting your key stage. Alternatively, you can select your key stage from the Twinkl menu tabs, then select Music, then scroll down and select Original Songs. Once downloaded, you'll have 3 options of files to open, either the backing track PowerPoint or the vocal track PowerPoint and the lyric sheet PDF. All of our songs have been written by our music team with your learners in mind, so whether you want to sit back and listen, sing along or perform for an audience, we have the songs you need right here.